Hi everyone. Today continues a series of HyperMesh 2023. Today I will introduce another cool function in HyperMesh. It's a mesh control. It's really helpful when you create solid meshing and want to control a better quality and reduce number of elements. So here the process. Firstly, we create a feature global and create a feature fillet and create a regional fillet and assign to it. And then we create the mesh control for volume tetra mesh, and then we generate number four. We generate a surface mesh first, and then we generate a tetra mesh. Okay, so come back. Here is our model, right? You see this part. There are a lot of small fillet here. You can checking the fillet here, right? So the radius 1.5 millimeters. Yeah. So yeah, 2 meters. Quite small and thin model. If we want to create the small element to capture all the fillets, we use a small element, but this increase number of element. But we use a big element size, maybe it collapse this fillet. That's why we need to use a mesh control to control this guy. So go to the topology and click on the mesh control. So we jump to the mesh control here. So we create a surface and feature global. My name is global. Okay. So I want to average event size of 4 and minimum size is 0.4. Okay. Next, I create the fillet here. So I want to control fillet. MC is mesh control, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So yeah, number length long phrase 4 maybe should be okay. And the most important here, number of element along the fillets. So I want to choose. Okay. Yeah, so you see here true is mean that yeah, each one around 1 millimeters, right? The local mass of 1 millimeter, but global size at 4 millimeters. So to control this, I go to region and create from feature selection, create here, maybe 0.5, okay, and select all of this guy, and it will filter all the fillet here. So I just create here the fillet mesh control region. Okay, I create this guy. So now I assign to this. Let's click here, choose here, and choose the original this. Okay. So next I want to create the mesh tetra mesh volume here. So volume tetra, right? Okay. So here the most important commercial tetra I want to fix or you want to floating, up to you. Design we use advancing from or Nonlinear. Nonlinear is help you to generate faster. It's very useful when your model is very large. Okay, but most important here I want because here's some theme feature. So I want to control the number layer here. So I choose here. Choose here. Okay. So just very quickly, features, that's all. Global, we don't need to assign anything. So now I go to feature hedge here, mesh, and I select all the control A, select all the surface, and then we generate for surface mesh for you. Please wait a couple of minutes, then we can generate a surface mesh. Okay, wow, already finished. So you can see here, I close this cap guy. We have a three. Yeah, you see we have a uh, two layer mesh here, but the rest are 4 millimeter. We can check here. Oh, that's good. Here we see we can capture the fillet very nice. Okay, like you can get a cut feature to see how it look like inside. Okay, you can check the free edge in case your geometry is complicated. Okay, so we can delete this guy. And you can go to the edit to check any free edge in your model. Yeah, that's all and check. There are no S found, that's good. And now I come back to the mesh control and generate the mesh. Okay, I go to here, sorry, go here, mesh. Actually, here you can control this by you select here first. I choose this guy, okay? And then you don't need to do anything, just right click and they can auto create a mesh for you. Okay, so it looks like it's finished already. And now I cut the mesh into see how to assign inside. You can click here to see the mesh layer here, right? Yeah, so you see you have a two layer here. Right, okay, right? Yeah, two layer mesh here. Okay, nearly finished, and then you can control very small element here. Okay, so it's look okay, right? You can come back here and turn off the 2D mesh. You see only 3D mesh here. Okay, so you can count number of element here. So you see here's three, yeah, 275 element. Yes, so yeah, around 27 node. I think should be good. Okay, yeah, we balance very well balanced between the the number of element and the feature capture in this meshing method. Okay, that's good. Yeah, thank you for the watching. Yeah, see you in other videos.